This is my portfolio. After not investing for a whole month, I'm at a new all-time high. How is that possible? Exactly this is what Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger told us all the time. Compound interest is the key. Let us dive into my portfolio and look what happened in the past couple of weeks. As you can see, my portfolio is a little bit over 35,000, and since I was on vacation for a whole month, I didn't invest. My last investment would be around April, and a lot of things happened in my portfolio. If we look at the chart, we see ups and downs. But isn't that how realistic investing is? If we look at the date, for example, the April 23rd, you see in the meantime what happened to my portfolio. It is still overall higher than it was on the 23rd of April, right? This is the learning you should get. I buy a part of companies in which I believe strongly and just wait and let my money compound. And to be honest, I don't care if it is at this peak in comparison to the 23rd of April with around $1,000 more, because for me personally, it will compound anyways. I just have to wait. And even right now, if my portfolio is going back down because of new uncertainty in the market, I don't care. I'm a long-term investor. I look at the big picture and wait. I have an unrealized profit of almost $9,000. It is 1/3 of my portfolio, which is just gains. And if we want to look at my positions, and this is as well one thing Warren Buffett told us, he had over his whole career a lot of stocks, but just a handful of stocks made him the most profit. And for me right now, one of these stocks is Google. I bought it with an average price of 178, and I wasn't able to buy more. And I can promise you, if I had more opportunities, and I mean with that more money, I would buy it heavier, but I couldn't. I did everything that I had possible in my hands to invest and go all in into Google in times which again uncertainty happened. There were announcements about ChatGPT and how it will take over the whole search system in the internet, but the result is it didn't happen. And it's easier to look at things from the future, but to be able to believe in a company that heavily and put really a lot of money into it and just let it compound is risky, and you will get the best profits out of it. I made just with Google alone around 2,500 profit. And I think, and I can't promise you that, and nobody should, it will compound over the next couple of years even more. I won't sell this company except they do huge mistakes which I couldn't imagine, and I learned something else, that I just want to buy monopoles. If you read the book 0 to 1 from Peter Thiel, you will understand what I mean. But at the end, this is a process which is very slow. But we don't have a choice. What should we do else? We can try to figure out a couple of ways to make money like a side hustle and get more streams of income. Otherwise, you try to earn more with learning new skills and developing your skills and your knowledge. Otherwise, I don't see another solution. You can save more money than you have. And I'm honest, right now, my new Google is Amazon, which I try to build out. But if you don't have the abilities because you are stuck in a 9 to 5 with your slavery salary, it's pretty hard. But you have to do what is in your hands. Even $100 matters, $50 matters, or 20 or 10 as well. Small steps create wealth as well. And everyone started from the bottom with zero. We all have the same chances. As I mentioned, Amazon is a stock which I really want to buy even more, and Meta. I think this is not the financial advice. It is just something that I think and want to share. Let us look at the facts. They're collaborating with Ray-Ban. They have the Meta glasses and you can record with them. And I announced privately something, even a couple of years ago. If you look science fiction videos or at general futuristic movies, you will see they have lenses inside their eyes, which couples the virtualistic world with the real world. That means your phone is unnecessary, and it is even a gadget which we have to think about all the time. You have to look down, hold your phone in your hands, take it with you, charge it, don't drop it, don't lose it, don't forget it, etc. There are a lot of things. But imagine you have something like a contact lens which you put in your eye and have all the same functions from your phone inside your own eye and merge both worlds, the virtual world with the real world. And for me personally, Meta is the only company right now which is going that way pretty fast. The first step, if you want to do something like that, is to create a glass. With this glass, you develop, make your research, get better, and one day it will be contact lens. That is the reason why I want to buy heavier on Meta as well. And the money which I put in Meta was in times in which the stock was down, and I bought it with the average buying price of $600, and right now it is at 619, but this is nothing in comparison the next couple of years and what the returns will be. And if you are as well in the same situation like I am in the first stages of your investing world, think about risking a little bit because you don't have a lot to lose. You can still put a lot portion of your money which you want to invest in safe strategies and safe investments, but you can risk as well. Your strategy will change if you have different amounts, but in the early phases, in which I am right now, and maybe you as well, we can risk. Thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to share what happened. Compounding is a great thing and the seventh wonder of the world. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.